Okay, guys, so this is probably going to be like the last video that I'm going to make for this game and for this game jam. So I'm just going to like try to finish the game now because I have a few hours to submit the game. So I'm going to work on that now. So right now, what I'm missing is like the end of the game. So reaching the flag. The idea here is that both players need to reach the flag at the same time for you to finish the game, and also to add some like user interface here, some heads up display where you have like the number of bananas that this player was able to get and the number of apples that this one was able to get. And the idea here is that the players need to catch all the items, so all 3 bananas and all 3 apples, and reach the end of the level. And that's the whole goal. Maybe I also need to add like an intro screen just to say what's the goal or something like that. I don't know. I'll see. I'll see it. So first, I'm gonna deal with the flags, and I already have the flags in the game. So let me see. Here, preview. Oh, okay, yeah. I was talking about all this, and I wasn't showing you guys because I forgot to. Oh no, it's okay. Okay, yeah. Now I don't know what I'm doing right now. So oh, but here is not okay. Okay, yeah. So like I was saying before, while I didn't like activate the screen, but so the idea is for the players to reach the flag at exactly the same time to complete the level. So I already have the flags in place, but I'm not detecting the collision with the player. So you can see that when you pass through the flag, you cannot do anything with it. So right now I need to detect the collisions. So let me see. GDevelop. Yes. Okay. So here we have the flag. And the flag we have like the out animation. What? Okay, I have a problem here with the animations from this one. I don't know what's happening here. Oh, maybe I changed the folder. Yeah, I changed the directory name. Yeah. Okay, so this is the out animation. Add, and I need to select them again. Okay, so this is what we want. No, this is not in a loop. This one is in a loop. Yeah. Okay, so this one. Okay, and yes, and when it finish, I'll play this one. Cool. Yeah. So we have the idle, the out, and the idle out. Okay. Okay, so now we need to detect the collision with that. So I'm gonna create a new group here with a flag. And let me see. So let's have event. Okay, so we are going to detect the collision. So if the flag collides with the players, basically that's what we want. And now if the flag is in collision with not with the players, probably I'm gonna need to create different conditions. So when the flag collides with one of the players and when the flag collides with the other one, so that in a way then I can like set flags in this case variables, set like control variables. Say okay, player 1 finished, player 2 finished, and now we can finish the game. But the problem is that they need to be exactly at the same time on the flag. And I don't know if I can, maybe I can detect not the collision, like it's not colliding anymore, if it's colliding or if it's not colliding anymore. Yeah, I need to do something like that, I believe. So maybe here is not the players, but it's going to be like the Ninja Frog player. And so if the flag is in collision with the Ninja Frog, now I need to create some scene variables. And I always have like a really hard time to understand where to create scene variables because we have the scenes here. Oh no, I think it's here and then here. Scene variables. Okay, yeah. Oh, I had these variables before, but I didn't end up not using them It was for the camera, but I didn't need them. So okay, I'm gonna like player, not player one. I'm gonna say like Ninja Frog in flag, and let's say virtual guy in flag. This means that they are on the flag, and these are booleans, false and false. Okay, so we have these variables, and now let me see main event. So when the flag is in collision with the player frog, but well, basically what I'm gonna do is set value of the scene, no, a boolean value of the scene fair. Okay, change is gonna be true. Set the boolean value to true. Okay, and I'm gonna create a new one with the flag, and collision exactly the same, in this case with the virtual guy. And I'm gonna copy from this one, paste, and of scene variable, not this one, but virtual guy and flag to true. Okay, and then I'm gonna have to have something like, okay, when both are true, and I'm gonna activate the flag and disable the player movement, stuff like that, to finish the game. So let me see. But now I also need to have the opposite. So when we are not in contact with the flag, I'm gonna set this to false. Oh, okay, I copy what here. And now, to be honest, I don't know if I should use like the not or the invert condition. I think I prefer to use the not because it makes more sense to me. But so when we are not in collision, we set to false. And I'm gonna copy this one and paste, and the same for this one. So when we are not in collision with the virtual guy, we set this, not this one, but virtual guy in flag to false. Okay, so this is it. So when we collide true, oh, it's false. And then I need another event. So event that says and. Okay, I'm going to need an and condition. And that says, I still don't know if we need the and or not, because it seems that when we have the conditions here, they work with and. They work like with like and. I know if this condition is true and the other one is true, then it works. But I'm not sure if we did this one or not. So I keep using it because it makes more sense for me. And subcondition is going to be, it's about the variables. So other conditions, variables, scene variables, boolean value. Check if the value is true. Yep. So we want this one, and we are going to base the condition for the other one. So virtual guy in flag is true. So when both are true, we're gonna basically like end the game. So here we are going to play the animation of the flag, and then we're gonna need to set something else like to finish the game. So flag, let me see if we have like animations. Oh, animations, yes. Change animation. Change animation. No. Change animation by name. Yes. Okay, yeah. Not title out. So we are going to put like out. Set animation of flag to out, and then when this animation finishes, I want to play the other one. So I don't know if I need something. Let me see if we have a condition for the animations. I don't know. Animation paused, animation finished. Yes, this is what I want. So when the flag finishes the animation, oh, it's finished, but now I don't know. Probably I need to add also like a condition to say like the current animation name. Yes, so if the current animation name is idle out, no, not idle out. If it's out, and it's finished, then I play the other one. I play the idle out. Yes, I think this is more or less what we want. Now let me see here. Yeah, I'm gonna move these guys here. Here, yes. I'm gonna move these guys here, and I'm just gonna change the camera again. So like 3, 3, 2. So it's gonna be like 6, 4, probably. Yeah, 4 here and here. Preview. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So when we go to the flag, I need place. Yes. Oh, it's whooping. Oh, because we are still in collision. Because we are still colliding with it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have a flag to say that. Okay, yeah, the game is over. So not a problem. So let me see. But what I also want to test is if I do something. Oh, shit. Okay, now they are not. Oh, but they are colliding either way. So why? Maybe the collision of the flag is like too big. Let me see. Ah, yes. Okay, I'm gonna have to change this. So let me see. 8. No, 16. Yeah, 16 seems okay. Like 8, 16 as well. Yes. 64. No, not 64. 24. No. 32. Maybe. And 16. And here 16 as well. What? Oh, no, not this one. So this is 32. Yes. And yeah. And 16. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna start like this. Okay, so the problem is this one, yeah. So if the players are not aligned, then we cannot finish the game. So we need to align the players like this. Yes, this is it. Cool. And so see. Okay, so this is working. Now what we need is like just a variable to say that we just finished the game, something like that, you know. Let me see. So what are we going to do when we finish the game, you know? Like, I don't know, just show some text on screen, you know, and disable the players, probably. Yes, I think something like that. So let me see. Game settings. Okay, I'm going to create a global variable. It says, I don't know, level completed. It's going to be a Boolean variable. False, yes. Apply. And here I'm going to create a sub-event that says level completed. I cannot do like this. Boolean value of a global variable. Okay, this is going to run only if the is false. So set the Boolean value, Okay, this one is going to run only when it's false. And here we set the level completed. No, not this. The Boolean value of this one will completed true. Okay. Yes, something like this. Let me see. Oh, no, now they are not aligned. Okay. And yes, that's it. Okay, cool. Now we need to I mean, yeah, I won't stop the player. Yeah, I won't stop the movement of the player. I mean, but then you lose and start again from the beginning. Now I need to stop the players probably. Okay, so how can I disable the players? Let's see. So players. And this is deactivate the behavior. Yeah, that's what I want. Platformer object. Yes, activate. No. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so let me see. I do something like this. They keep like running. I don't know why. Why they have like this animation? I don't know. I don't know. Probably I could create some animation like they are like jumping, or something like that. That would be cool. Let me see. On the assets, where do we have the players? No, not here. Oh, I don't know why this happens. Like Figma sometimes cannot load the images. Okay, yeah. Wall jump, run, jump. Okay, yeah, I don't have like. Probably I could combine these two frames to create like a small animation, like jumping, but I don't know. Okay, I'm not gonna lose time with this right now. So let me see. The flag. Okay, so we have the flag, and now what I want is, I mean, the user interface. Like for the beginning and this is cool. Okay, yeah, they're gonna keep running. It's cool. So yes, so let's like move the players back to the beginning of the game. And now I'm gonna create like an interface with here, maybe here on top. Okay, let's see how can I create this. I have no idea. So like for example, a text on screen. Okay, let's say like bananas label. The font. Oh, I need to choose a font. Okay, and my idea here is like to do something like this and have also the sprite. And I need to choose a font. Okay, I don't know if I have a font. Let me see. I'm gonna get the font that I'm using on other games for retro gaming. Make a copy. Yes. Okay, whatever. Apply. And oh, because I create the label, I didn't add the label. It's not like the best font ever for this game, but whatever. I'm gonna try not this one, not bold, size 20. Let me just see what happens with the font. Oh, but now, yeah, I forgot to move the camera back to the beginning, so yeah, I'm gonna like disable this one. Let me see just if the font follows the player or not. Oh, it doesn't follow the player. What? Not the player. It doesn't follow the camera. Oh, really? Hmm. Let me just check here. Like GDevelop. Wait. A HUD. Should I implement a HUD? I need to create probably, yeah, a new layer. Okay. Yes, I create a layer for the UI, and then I'm gonna move this for the UI, and it's on top of the other ones. And if I'm not moving the camera of this one, it should work. Yes. A little bit strange, but yeah. And then it's not aligned. Okay. I don't know exactly why. Okay. Yeah. Good enough. So yeah, I'm gonna check this one here. Yeah, I really don't like this font. So let's choose a file. I don't know if I have any other font here to GDevelop. Let me see, Space Invaders font. I think it's the same. Yeah, it's retro gaming as well. No, I don't have another font. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one and we'll see. And also what I'm gonna do is like put a banana here. Maybe this could be like smaller. Yeah, something like this. If I take the spaces. Oh, but I'm gonna need a variable here to actually like change the value. But okay, I'm gonna deal with that in a moment. Okay, and the banana can stay here. Something like this. And the same here. Like we have the apple, and I'm gonna add a new one. Oh, this is the whole thing with the snapping again. Yeah. Let me see if I do something like this. No, it doesn't work. Oh, shit. I don't know. Show grid, so I'm just gonna put like this one here. Something like this. Yeah. Oh, and I forgot to put these two all on the UI. This one also on the UI. Okay. Yeah. That's cool. Yeah, it gets a little bit strange, but yeah. Okay. Not the best work ever, but it will work. What? Maybe I can. But then I can't. It's really hard. Okay, but yeah. So I have the font, and now I need some variables to say that how many apples and bananas that we have. So, and then I need to update the font every time we catch a banana or an apple. So let me see. And this is a scene variable. It's not like a global one. I never know. It's here and here. Scene variables. Yes. Okay. So I need two extra variables, and let's say like apple count, and let's call it banana count. And these ones are numbers and numbers. Yes, apple count and banana count. Okay, and now let me see. Okay, now I need to, every time we get this, update the variable and update the label. Okay, so this I have this here, so moving with the items, collision with the items here. Oh, I don't need this anymore. At least I think so. Let me just see if I didn't break anything. But I guess I'm not using that anymore, so... Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, so probably I'm gonna create a new group just for the items. And I'm gonna move this... Okay, now but probably... yes, I'm gonna move this to the item. But... here. Okay, so this is where we collide with the items. Here I'm not gonna have the item, so I'm gonna get the item banana. Oh, I mean, maybe I can leave... What? Okay, maybe I can leave this like this and just create a new event. Like if the players collision, so if players collide with, in this case, the banana, let's say, blah blah blah, and I'm gonna put this first. And so if we collide with the banana, then I'm just going to change the variable. So variable, scene variables, value of a scene variable. Okay, oh, banana count, add 1. Yes, what we want. So we change this, and then I'm gonna have to change... Oh, but which... Oh, banana label. Oh, I need another label. Because how can I get the instance? Okay. Yeah, this is a good question, because we have the object, and then we have instances of the object. And this is an instance of the banana label. And I have 2 instances, which shouldn't be banana label, it should be like item label. But when I catch the banana, I want to update that variable, that instance. But when I catch the apple, I want to update the other instance, but I don't have a way to access these instances, I think. Oh, okay. Let me see. Instance. Pickle instances. No. Object. Create an object. Okay, probably I should have to create them like by code. And then I would have an instance. I would have a reference to each one of the instances. Okay, I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna like duplicate this. It's gonna be like the apple label. And I'm gonna put the apple label here. So I'm gonna delete this one, and this one is gonna come here. And now I have the apple label and the banana label. Okay. And here, so when we catch this banana label, modify the text, set to, and or a valid expression. Can I not use like the banana item banana? No, not item banana. Add a banana count. Oh, I can't use it. What? Okay, variables, scene variable, text of a scene variable. Oh, okay. Banana count, apply, plus 3. Yeah, should be something like this. And now I'm gonna copy this one, I'm gonna paste. So if the player collides with the other one, item apple, I'm gonna do the same here. Apple count, add 1, change the apple label to apple. What? Apple count. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay. I got this one. Wait, what? What? Okay, yeah. So this is working. get that banana is really hard. So let me see if I can do something like this. Oh no, but it's not like this, I guess. Oh, I don't remember. Oh, I can do it like that. Okay, so let me see. I'm gonna bring this one. Okay, yeah, I think this is what I want. Ah, okay, but it fell from the platform. It shouldn't do that. Okay, maybe the platform, I need to increase like the collision of the platform, because like, oh yeah, the player is like falling from the platform. It's really strange. Maybe I'm gonna like increase just a little bit. So like -4. Let me see. I can do like 2 minus. Oh, it doesn't let me do minus. Okay. But can I do like something like 8? Oh, it doesn't let me. Why is that? Because I should create probably a new one. Okay, I'll see that in a bit. So let me just try again. I think I need to increase the size of the sprite so that the collision is bigger. And because you see, like, oh, the player is. Oh, this. Yeah, no. The platform is not cool. Okay, I really need to change the platform. So let me see on the animations. No, I don't have an animation on the levels. Okay, yeah, these are the ones. Maybe I'm just gonna increase this. I mean, I cannot increase like a lot, but let's just see if this solves the problem. So to channel game development here. Yes, nice. And now I can change these ones. So let me see. So platform mode, and I'm gonna remove this one. Okay, let me see the collision mask now. Oh, it's the same. I think I did the wrong one. So let me see. Platform mode, collision mask. It's the same. Why is it the same? Edit point? No, edit point doesn't solve me anything. Maybe as I'm exporting this, it's not working as I'm expecting. Let me see. Level. Platform mode. No, 32 by 8. Yeah, that's correct. Why is it not working? Strange. Okay, let me just try something. I don't know, since I have that problem with the tile map that I need to restart GDevelop to see the actual changes. I don't know if it also happens with this one. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. I don't know, sometimes GDevelop cannot like refresh the assets that we are using, so we need to just quit and open the program again to see the actual changes. I mean, you have the actual changes in the game, but you cannot see the actual changes here on the previews. I don't know. It's a bug. So, okay. So now, let me try again. Okay. It's not good. Probably it's because of the collision also. Yeah. Okay, this makes it impossible to play like this. Let me see. Because it might be because of these collisions here. Or is it because of the jump? No, the jump doesn't make sense. It seems like when it's walking that it's actually falling when I walk, I think. Let me see. But why? Maybe if I put this with the same collision as the idle. Probably gonna look strange now when we walk, but not at all. Actually, it's not. Okay, let me see if this solves the problem or not. Yeah, okay, this solves the problem. Okay, maybe this game is a little bit hard, or I have. No, I need to. Okay, yes. Let me see. Now I need to set the player the other way, I think. Not like this, but so I need to something like, oh, but this is okay. I'm gonna do something like this and then like this. Yeah, then no, I'm gonna have to leave the okay. I guess this is what you want. Yes. Yeah, this is it. So it's possible. Just need to find the correct distance between the players. And now, well, but now how can I? Okay, now I can do something like this. Yes. And this one is like, oh, but I didn't catch the apple. I'm gonna try to catch the apple now. Okay, here. Okay. So this is it, and we are updating this one and this one, and what else? Oh yeah, at the end I also need to check probably if the player caught the items or not. Yeah, so here in the flag, I don't know. I'm thinking that yeah, okay, the goal of the game, yeah, you need to catch the item. I was thinking that okay, should I like make a rule to catch the items or the player just needs to reach the end of the level, but I think both things are important. So when we are doing all this, blah blah blah. Okay, okay, it's here. So if all these conditions are true, so if the level completed is false, if this is true, and also if scene variable, value of a scene variable. So if the apple count is equal to 3, and also if the banana count is equal to 3. Okay, both needs to be equal to 3. We need to set this. Okay, yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, and now what are we missing? Yeah, probably I would like also to like implement sort of like checkpoints or something like that, you know. because like if you lose when you are playing here, then you need to come back all the way to the beginning. So maybe a checkpoint here and a checkpoint like here. I mean these ones, yeah, but either way, checkpoint here and checkpoint somewhere like here. Then that what would do is like save the position of the actors. That's actually a cool thing, I think. Yeah, I can create sort of checkpoints, yes. So it's easier to finish the level. Let me see. Oh, I didn't add like the effects or anything like that yet. It would be cool also. But okay, yeah, I'm gonna create these ones. I think these ones are cool. Yeah, we'll see if I can create. I'm just like making stuff up right now, but we'll see. Okay, so these are going to be like a checkpoint. And here, let me see, 3, 4, 6. No, okay, 17. So here, plugins, split to frames, rows and columns, 17 columns, split. I don't need this one. Now I'm just gonna get these ones. Auto layout. Okay, so I have, and this is the, I'm gonna call it active. So the other one is the idle, and this one is the active animation. So something like that. Okay. And we see, and what I'm gonna do is when the players pass the checkpoint, now I'm thinking like, how can we use a checkpoint? I mean, both players need to pass a checkpoint, or one of the players pass that checkpoint. I mean, as soon as one of the players passes a checkpoint, I just save the position of the players. And if you die, you go back to the positions. If the other one passes again, it just updates the checkpoint. Yeah, something like that. At least for now, it's going to be, yeah. Okay, idle. Okay, so I'm going to create, okay, this is going to be like checkpoint idle. This is going to be checkpoint active. Save. Okay, so instead of like reloading the scene, I'll just get the players to the last position. Yeah, it might work. So sprite, let's call it checkpoint animations idle. Let me see. So checkpoint idle. Create a new animation, and we're gonna call it like active. Okay, so this is in a loop. Let me see. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna use this one. So for example, my idea here was that I'm gonna have like a checkpoint, probably. Oh, but I can have like also have like checkpoints only on one side. Like for example, here we have a checkpoint. Maybe not here. Let me see. I'm not using the grid. Okay, here. And for example, like I have another checkpoint down here. Oh, but then I have a problem with that. I might have a problem with the checkpoints because we might reach a checkpoint, and while the other player is on like some tough spot, and then if you die, we go back exactly to that tough spot. So it's really hard to then to I don't know. I'm thinking like imagine that I can jump with these players, and the other one is here when I reach checkpoint down here. So what would happen is that I would this player would be killed because could have like this ball coming to his position, and we go to the checkpoint, and then we just like stuck in a loop because we cannot go back. Hmm. Okay, now maybe I'm not gonna implement the checkpoints right now. I need to think about this a little bit better. Okay, so instead of this, let me see what else can I do. Maybe not an intro screen, but yeah, but something like that explains the game or say the goal of the game. I don't even need that. I can just add that on the description of the game. I mean, I could have like an intro screen to start the game and stuff like that, but or maybe yes, I can have an intro screen. I would like also to see like how to change themes and stuff like that. So maybe that's also a good idea. Mm, mm, now I'm thinking like, okay, if we die, should we go back to the? I'm not happy yet with the whole idea that every time we die, we need to go back to the beginning of the level. So for example, what? I forgot to add this to the UI. Yes, I'm not entirely happy with when we die. Or maybe we can go to the beginning of the level, but you don't need to catch the items again. Maybe that was a good idea. Okay, so I have these two. Okay, okay here. Or maybe if we die, I can just like position the players on the correct place, when you die. Oh fuck. Ah. Mm. Okay, something like this, like this. Okay. Ah. Okay, yeah, we cannot like go back to the beginning every time we die. I mean, it's really annoying. And we cannot keep having to pick up all the items every time we die. But then again, I can just like throw myself to try to catch an item, and knowing that I will die. Hmm. Okay, okay, that's it. Yeah, maybe what I can do is that if we die here on this one, we'll go back. We start from here. Okay, maybe that's enough. Because now this is really hard. Okay. Ah. Okay, yeah, no, I'm gonna do something like that. So let me see. So when we die, instead of like reloading the scene, yeah, what I'm gonna do is that when we die, instead of reloading the scene, I'm just going to maybe have a number of lives also. Okay, yeah. Okay, so instead of reloading the scene, when we die, we go back to a position. I don't know. We can have like the initial position. We can have this one here and this one here probably. So if we die with these ones, we go back to this position right here. If we die with this one or here, or if we fall here, we go to this one. And if we die somewhere in this area, we'll go back to this one. Okay. Let's see. Now, should I like... This was in a way, this was like the checkpoints that I was thinking about. But not exactly checkpoints because we don't need to activate the actual checkpoint. So, yeah, the problem is that if we were activating the checkpoints, I mean, yeah, we can have the checkpoints probably, but it won't save the position of the players. But when you activate the checkpoints, if you die, you start from that checkpoint. Just that, I mean, both players will start from that checkpoint, like aligned on that checkpoint. Yeah, probably we can do something like that. So you'll never be in a tough position. Okay, so I'm gonna try and add the checkpoints back again. So for example, if you die here, you're going to start on the position of the checkpoint. So this one's going to start here and this one's going to start here. No, not here. Here. Here we have a checkpoint and I'm just going to create like checkpoints on top and the bottom, something like that. So here, for example, you have... Oh, but here, for example, it's a problem because we might have a checkpoint. But are we going to reset this? Yeah, I'm going to reset this. I need to reset these platforms. Okay, yeah, this brings a lot bigger complexity to what we are doing here. Because if we are not reloading the scene, then I need to make sure to recreate everything that we need. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, because we need to create the platforms and like the following platforms and everything. So I'm not reload. I mean, I can reload the scene. Yeah, maybe I can like reload the scene, but position the players on a different position according to the checkpoints. So if I reload the scene, it will like show everything, like recreate everything again, but keeping the pickup. Okay, I'm gonna remove this again. Still trying to figure it out the best way to do this. So because probably I'm gonna need to create the apples and the stuff like that. But then I'm assuming that the apples that we got, I mean, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna get into all this trouble right now. Let me just see. They are not exactly aligned, but let's see. Okay. Ah, I think I need to change the collision on this one, probably. Let me see. Oh no, but the walk is okay. So it's not this one, so it's on the platform, maybe? I don't know. How can I... Okay, this one, yes. What I want. Yeah, okay, so it's cool. Here. Now this one is really hard. Let's see. I never get the apple, I don't know. Okay, so... But why am I dying? I don't know why I always die there. Okay. Okay. So like a pro movement, so let me see. What? Okay. Here. I need to wait. Okay. No. Why did I die there? I don't know. Okay, so this one, it's okay. Yeah, I'm a pro on this first part. Okay, now we have the platform. Now this one is really hard. I don't know why I die. Trying to understand what's happening there. Oh, shit. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, now I'm just like... Why am I always losing here? It's because I'm like when I jump here. Hmm. Yeah, I need to make this like enough so that you can. Mm, they're not like exactly along. Oh no no no. Okay, here, here. Okay. I don't know why the guy in the bottom. Always the same thing. Okay, cool. Yes. And now what? I need to do something like this. Oh, I forgot. Oh, the first, the first banana. Yes. Now I cannot finish. Yes. Okay. Oh, let me try to. No, I cannot go back. Okay, so it's doable. So yes, have like a bit of a challenge, but yes, it works. So I got the bananas, the apples. Okay, here, yes, here. Oh, yes, this is it. Now let me see. Okay, I need to time this. Okay. It's cool. Yeah. I mean, this is it. I think it's the entire game. I need some music. Yeah, some sound effects would be cool. Let me see. Let me check Kenny. Mm, know that this guy has like cool sound effects. Audio. Sci-fi. No, I'm not sure. Digital audio. Space Team. Okay, just for music, maybe I can use one of these. Let me see. What? No, these are only jingles, yeah. I don't know what happened. Okay. No, these are just jingles. I cannot use this. Okay, so now I'd like to get some music. Like free. This is cool. I think I like it last. Yeah, I'm doing. I'm checking these ones. Yeah, I think I like this one. Okay, so let me just use this one. Assets. Okay, grass Wednesday. Okay, now let me see how can I add. Oh. Okay, how can I add this sound here? Without sprite. Okay, I don't know how to add sound. Play a sound or play a music file. So you can play sound and music files. Okay, but how can I play? Is the action play a sound? Okay, so we have an action. Okay. So let me see. Here on the scene, I'm gonna add a sub event with a trigger one, like to play the sound at the beginning. We just put this here and here. Play sound. Okay, play a sound. Oh, I can choose a file here. Okay, so assets, audio, this one. Repeat the sound, yes. 0 to 100. I don't know, 50. Okay, let me see. Okay. Maybe the volume can be like lower. Yeah, okay, it's better. Now I have like some sound effects. That's a really cool sound. I really like this one. Okay. Okay, so now I would like have some sounds. Maybe for the hopping, when we are hopping. I think it's cool because we have like that sound effect. And when we catch the items, and when we die, probably. Yeah, I think that probably can also have a sound for when we die. Okay, so let me see here. We have like music jingles, but we don't have like what's the digital audio? I forgot this. No, this is not what we want. Okay, so platformer game music. Okay, this is the music. I'm gonna add a new one of these ones. And let me see, platformer sound. Oh, I have a lot of things. I'd like to have like okay, maybe. Let me see if we have like cool sounds here. Okay, have some cool sounds here as well. Let me see here, assets, audio. I'm gonna like take this because I'm not using these ones. Oh, okay. Whoa. Well, I can't open this. Why? It can be like because of this. Yeah. But we cannot open the file. Why? Probably once again because of this. No, not this. Okay, so audio. Sounds. Sounds. I think it's because of the size of the pass. Yeah. Mm. Not exactly what I think. I prefer this one. Mm. Okay, platformer, GDevelop, assets, audio, jumping. Okay, platformer, jumping. I think I like this one. Or this one, maybe. Okay, so 3, 4, 6, 7. Yeah, let me try this one. Okay, so I have a lot of windows open. Okay, this one. Player, so let me see. I need to create a new sub-event. And so when the players is jumping, I'm going to say control pressed, yes. Jump. Not this one. Like 30 probably. Okay, let's see. Okay, no, it's not exactly this one. Control press or simulator. Okay, I think the problem is with the condition. Yeah, because maybe it's not the players. Okay, let me see. No. Let me just like cut this. I'm gonna put them on the scene. So paste. And maybe this is not the condition. The condition is like key pressed. Key released. Okay. Space. Jump, because I think we have like more than one key to jump. I haven't checked that, but no. Okay, let's see, like space. Not release, probably when it's pressed. Looks like you have a delay. Ah, no, then you have the problem. Okay. I'm gonna have to use the release. I really like the music. It's really cool. So yeah, okay, gonna use this one. And now I wanted to use some sound for when we are picking up the. No. Mm, no. No, this is also really cool. So, mm, then I'm gonna check like the other one, the other audio sounds, like general sounds. Let me see. No, not interactions. Positive sound. This one, yeah. Okay, positive sounds, number 6. I like this one. So when the player, where is it? The items. Okay, here we are going to play a sound effect. Play a sound and choose a file. Audio, sounds, general sounds, positive sounds, right? Like 30. Let me see. Okay, cool, yeah. Cool, yeah. Okay, so now I just need a sound to when we die, yeah. Weird sounds. Negative sounds, let me see. What? Error. No. Mm. Ah, that screams. Okay. You, let me see. Android. No. No, not exactly this. Simple damage sounds. This is really simple, yes. Okay, not these ones. Weird sound. Mm, I have no idea what I'm gonna use. No. Alarms. No. Let me see what else. It's a really cool sound effect. Yeah. Buttons, high pitch sound. Ah, fanfare. This is cool for the. Mm. Okay, now. No. I have no idea what I'm gonna use for sounds. Guess I'm gonna have to check for more sounds. Sounds are really cool. Out of time. Oh, no. I want to use this one. Uh, it's not exactly like the rest of the music, but yeah, okay. I'm gonna use it. Then I'm gonna go back. I need to come back here and get all the references from these guys. Okay, so let me see. Here on GDevelop. Let's see the flag. Play a sound, choose a file, audio, victory. It's gonna be like 30, yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna check now, but I'm gonna leave it. And I just wanted a new sound for when the player loses. Yeah, it'll be cool. Cool. Okay, let me see if they have like 2 explosions, power up, 2 jump coin, UI blip, 4 random sounds. No. 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 Just one sound. This is the game music. Okay, actually I need to get this. Okay. Sound effect, bonus cube, heart. Mm. Okay. Okay, let me try this one and we'll see. Not exactly what I was looking for, but it might work, I don't know. The whole game might work. So let me see, players, changes in main, play sound, to the file, die. Okay, 30. Okay, let me see. I cannot hear it. Because probably I'm changing the scene. Oh no, I could hear it, yeah. Ah, with traps, no, okay. See, maybe I can do like or condition here. Yes, or because I'm doing exactly the same. So if one of these conditions is true, so if it collides with the traps or if it collides with the death zone, and now I don't need this. Okay, I'm gonna remove the sound now. It's not working. So yes, I think this is it. Okay, it's cool. Yes. Yeah, this is it. Okay. So I guess this is the game. I mean, I think if I can add a few more stuff or not, but I think this is a good experience at least. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna deal now with setting up the HIO page for the game and like building the game and uploading the game, stuff like that. And so yeah, this is it. So then I'll just share the game with you guys so that you guys can test it. So I'm gonna put the link in the description for the complete game. So thank you guys for watching.